Here with me, I have this Shuttle Art Permanent Markers. I actually got these from Amazon and I wanted to show you what they look like. So I got this set of 30 and you get a whole variety of colors. They're really bright and vibrant. The variety is nice because you get a lot of options for coloring, drawing, doodling, or even just labeling different items. These have a fine point tip, which makes them great for detailed work. You can use them for writing, scrapbooking, crafts, or just everyday projects. Another thing I like is that these markers work on different surfaces, so you can use them on paper, plastic, wood, metal, glass, and even stone, which makes them really versatile. The ink is quick drying, it's waterproof, smear resistant, and fade resistant, so once it dries, it stays in place really well. They are also non-toxic and acid-free, which makes them safe for kids ages 3 and up. Definitely a nice set if you like having lots of colors for crafts, art projects, or everyday creative work.